What is natural numbers and how to convert natural numbers into whole numbers? Natural numbers. Natural numbers are positive integers, counting numbers, starting from 1 and extending infinitely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and soon. How to convert natural numbers into whole numbers? To convert a natural number into a whole number, we simply include the number 0 along with the natural numbers. Whole numbers consist of all the natural numbers along with the number 0. Therefore, any natural number can be considered a whole number as well. For example, if we have the natural number 7, by including 0, we can consider it a whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way, we have converted the natural number 7 into a whole number. How can convert whole numbers into integers? Whole numbers already include the number 0. Integers, on the other hand, include all whole numbers, positive, negative, and 0, as well as their opposites. To convert a whole number into an integer, we can simply assign a positive or negative sign to it, depending on whether it is already positive or negative, respectively. For example, if we have the whole number 7, we can represent it as the integer plus 7. Similarly, if we have the whole number -1, we can represent it as the integer -1. In this way, by attaching the appropriate sign, we convert a whole number into an integer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and comment in box.